Yes, I am indeed, and conditions are changing as we speak. Let's take a look at our sky cam from Coronado live right now. The skies are becoming cloudier and cloudier as we speak, and the winds are also picking up, especially over coastal areas, even in IB, where the winds are close to 25 miles an hour. Inland areas, not too bad. Then the winds pick up even more as you travel over to the mountains and deserts. We find a wind advisory, which remains now in effect until 10 p.m. on Tuesday. It highlights our mountains and deserts where it's going to stay windy for the next 24 hours. Expecting those winds to come out of the west at 50 to 65 miles an hour. Gusts will be much greater, averaging 75 miles an hour. So as we take a look at the last 3 hours, it hasn't been too bad. Rain showers picking up, and we'll see a few more of those moving from the water all the way inland. We are expecting this activity to continue into tomorrow. So far, rainfall accumulations have averaged under 1/10 of an inch, and we're expecting light rain to continue tonight, and most likely it'll fall in the same fashion during the day tomorrow. We'll begin to see some changes by the middle of the week. Pinpoint what those are in just a few minutes.